In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip skins in Sakura Stand. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to acquire new skins and how to claim and equip them. So, skins can be obtained at the arcade by rolling a gacha. So, you will be able to go over to the arcade by going over to the lobby and then walking over to this place with the cafe symbol. Now, once you go inside, you will be able to find the arcade at the back. So you have it here, and you will be able to do gacha to get different skins. So you will be able to pay using cash, tokens, or Robux, and you will see the rates over here. So you have a lot of different skins that you can acquire, and once you get one, you will only be able to claim and equip it if you have the stand that the skin belongs to. If you don't have the stand, the skin will delete itself. Each stand may only have one skin. If a skin for a stand is rolled and you already have a skin for it, you will be asked if you would like to replace it, and you will additionally be asked to confirm if the skin you are replacing is higher in rarity. The gacha system is the arcade like I mentioned, and you will be able to purchase and play it using cash, tokens, or Robux. So when you click on any of these, you will be able to see the requirements. Now sadly, my character is a newbie and I won't be able to demonstrate a lot of gacha in this video. But if you have mastery and you have the necessary amount of funds, you will be able to do a lot of gacha here. So an animation will play out and you will be able to claim a skin. So here's an example. In my case, it failed, but if you had this specific stand, you would be able to get the skin. So you will be able to repeat this as many times as you wish, and you will be able to do gacha to get different skins in Sakura Stand. I hope I was able to help you on how to equip skins in Sakura Stand. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.